something that is always have a consistent speed and has removed its skip the line system. The one that we picked the sides again. Yeah, I guess these might be removed entirely soon. Yeah, no one's using the right side. They're only using one door. Yeah, that's the former lighting lane ramp. Wow. I thought it was still filled. Man, these people sure did demand it. There's no need to be lighting lane on this thing. But I don't really care if they have it or not, honestly. But yeah, another sometimes ride.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Wow. This fight is late, actually. One. Wow, full 3 minutes of the whole queue.